Yo, be careful, be careful. Heal the front, heal the front, heal the front. Be careful, boys. Don't pick. We get just masterpiece.
Masag na one.
Okay. Pabalik ka nito, Wait. Yo, facing tayo. Be careful. Be careful. Yo, come down the chop. Be careful. Nag-engage?
Hindi.
Big. Okay, anyway. Hold.
Lokin.
Be careful. Spread. Come back. Nice, uy. Patumatay yun. Come back.
Wailing bomb at the west, nagre-ready.
Yo.
Nagre-ready.
Depend on that. Depend on the wheel. Yo. Come west. Southwest. Come up. Attack. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is everyone. Yo, nice damage. Kill. Finish. Come back mo. Try to finish the kill. Come back. Pasira pa na itong wall. Pasira pa.
Wailing bomb at the west. Looking
Be careful.
hard west.
Pasira lang
Ito hard west ah. Wala akong G. Di na ako G. Bami.
Yo, bombing. Defend.
Di na ako G.
Yo, keep back. Almost there. Fuck. Gear.
Oh.
Yo, bombing. Yo, heal the front. Oh my god, don't pick, boys. Don't pick this. Oh my god, if you're not walking, don't pick.
Start northeast. Ano sa ating compare to?
48%.
Okay. Hello is ally. Ata, ibabas ka ba alay yan? Okay, bang tayo.
If you die, get out of the map. Look for
Yo, just press diamond. And gear, please. What the? How many percent?
25.
Okay. Be careful.
Look for Rigid.
Ano ito pumasok? Hello ba yun?
Delight.
Yeah. Don't bomb, Be careful sa delight. Baka sila mabomb natin.
5%.
Okay. Yo, ready to walk up.
Engage na.
Yo, walk up. West. Ready. West. On me. West. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait on me. Secure. More damage. Nice. Wipe, boys. Come back, Come back again. Yo, ready, defend. Defend. Come east. Keep going east. Punta tayo ng galing. Come back east. Wait. CD. Tell me CD.
Ready, di up.
Okay. Yo, ready. Walk up again. Come south now. Come south this way. South. Ready. On TC. South. It's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is everyone. Nice kill. Come back, boys. Come back. Nice kills. Wait, CD again.
2 seconds.
2 seconds, okay.
Ready.
Yo, kill the guards.
Ready.
Kill the guards first. Yo. Wait. Where are they?
Pa-revive nga. Isang
Pare-bye kay Kagski. Yo, walk west. No, on the mage. Gusto na ba on the mage? Service on the mage. Careful on the mage. Maka-clap tayo yan. Baka...
Pwede mo na i-cap
Pwede na
to.
to. Wala na ba sila? Yo, engage on the mage. 5, 4,
Kasi yung banner natin.
On the mage. Trap everything on the mage. Kill the mage. Nasaan yung banner? Nasaan?
Ano mo na. Capture mo na. Pwede yan.
Pwede na ba to?
Oo, 0%.
Missing guild, ano daw?
Wala tayong ano.
Wala akong firm.
Walang firms.
Wala akong firm.
Sa medyo pwede. Kailangan mo
Walang firms.
to.
Mas nagdagdag ba kaya lahat ng firms?
Yo, kill the guards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the guards.
Tayo mo na.
Inside. Yo, be careful sa mid. Baka ma-down kayo. Yo, andyan na yung collar nila. Bumili yung collar nila. Nakita ko na. Be be careful. Ready to go out east again.
Kill guards, kill guards, kill guards, kill guards.
Kill the guards, kill the guards, kill the guards.
Para
Kill me, kill me.
Sa east, ingat.
Boss, kaya mo lang akong first.
Kaya, pacify. Dali, pacify.
Okay na.
Go, go. Ito, North ka, north ka.
Wala pa din, wala pa din.
May guard pa kasi, ay may mage pa kasi.
Oh,
Ano,
sabi
may
niyo
mage
pwede
ba?
na. Ano ba?
Pwede ba yun?
Pwede na ba?
Yo! Kill the mage, kill the mage, kill the mage, kill the mage.
May
On the
mga
mage in
reso
5,
dyan.
4, 3, 2, 1 on the mage.
Hindi na ba kailangan?
Eh, bakit hindi ko wala akong permission.
May kailangan kayong mga reso.
No permission ako, Boss Gab. Ikaw na mag-classify, Boss Gab.
Ito nga, basta, para wala nang...
Okay, so, drop ko pa. Ayun na, dominate ko na. Hindi ko yung single permissions to.
May naman pa to, guys.
Iyo, huwag niyong pahit si Boss Gab. Pahit kay Boss Gab.
Pacifying mo ba? Pacifying.
Yeah.
Hard runes.
Pahit kay Boss Gab. Naglalaban pa sila.
Rocker going out na nasa for sure B.